Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be toning up the legs with the intermediate 10-minute workout. I got 4 exercises for you. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, our first exercise, we're gonna be going lunges. Left leg forward, right leg back, down and up, 2, 1, 40 seconds. Let's go. You wanna make sure you keep your chest up. Make sure you get a 90-90 bend of both knees, and you're gonna emphasize on pushing up through the front heel. Good, grab some weights, let's make it nice and challenging. We're gonna work and tone up the legs. As soon as you come down, straight back up. And as you come up, you're gonna breathe out. Come down, you're gonna breathe in. Nice work, guys. Keep it going. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. We're gonna do the same exact thing on the other leg. Right leg forward this time. Left leg back, and then do both those shoulders back, and then we're gonna go down and up. Make sure those toes are pointing forward as well. You don't want the toes to point out like this. Ready? 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 40 seconds. Okay, keep those shoulders back. As you stand up tall, breathe out. And again, you're gonna emphasize pushing through that front heel. Okay, start to feel the legs working. Halfway there, guys. Continue to breathe. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. 20-second transition. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some front squats. With the dumbbells, you're gonna place it right on your shoulders. Watch my elbows. I'm gonna tuck those elbows in, feet shoulder width apart. I'm gonna squat down, keeping my chest up, and I'm gonna squat up. Make sure you're sticking your bum back just like this, and then you're standing up tall. 40 seconds, let's go. Stick your bum back, stand up tall, keep that chest up. Good. Push those knees out. Make sure those toes are pointing forward. As you stand up tall, breathe out. Nice work. As soon as you come up, straight back down. Okay, fire up those legs. And if you find the weights that you're using are too light, don't be afraid to challenge yourself and go a little heavier. Okay, squat down, squat up, less than 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. We're gonna drop the weights. Our next exercise, we're going into burpees. We're gonna keep that heart rate up. You're gonna go down into a plank position like this, hop towards your hand, and you're gonna hop up as high as you can. Get that heart rate up. Let's maximize this workout. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Burpees. Hop back, hop forward, hop up. Okay, go as quick as you can. As soon as you come down, straight back up. Continue to breathe. You guys are doing great. Good. 10 seconds, finish strong with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Take a quick breather here. You can grab some water. After this 20 seconds, you got a 30-second breather. Okay, let's do a quick quad stretch. Grab your ankle, balance, lean forward and pull. Good. Still got a 30-second break. Switch your legs. Grab your ankle and pull. All right, let's get ready for our next set. Grab your weights again. Back to our lunges, starting with the left leg forward, right leg back, 2, 1, let's go. Good, come down and then come up. Push with that front leg, push with the front heel. Good, make sure you're not leaning forward like this. You wanna lean back and keep that chest up. Hold on tight to the dumbbells. Halfway there, guys, 20 seconds. Good, come down, come straight back up. Nice work, guys. You got 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, switch legs. This time I'm gonna have my right leg forward, left leg back, and then down and up just like this. Okay, let's get ready. You got 10 seconds. Deep breath in, deep breath out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 40 seconds. Good. Pump those legs, guys. Doing great. Nice work, halfway there. Keep breathing. Should feel a little burn through the legs. Keep working, guys. All right, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, legs are burning now. All right, front squats coming up. Dumbbells right on your shoulders, elbows tucked in. I'm going to squat down by sticking my bum back, and then I'm gonna squat up, stand up tall. Common mistake that I see is when you stand up tall, you go 90%, but you still gotta finish it off and then tuck your hips underneath, okay? Ready, let's go, 40 seconds. Keep that chest up the whole time. Push to the heels. Get all the way down, go all the way up. Nice work. Halfway there, 20 seconds. These exercises go by quick. Good, enjoy the burn through the legs. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. Drop the weights. We got our last exercise coming up. We're going burpees. Go as fast as you can. Let's maximize that burn in the legs. Let's get ready. 10 seconds. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hop back, hop forward, hop up. Let's go quick, guys. As soon as you go down, straight back up. Try to jump up and then reach for the ceiling, back down. Hop up, reach for the ceiling, and back down. Keep going. Pump those legs. Let's start to speed up a little bit. We're almost done for the day. 10 seconds hard. 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's do 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 1 more. 2, 1. Reach for the ceiling. And time. Let's work. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.